just had a baby 9 days old. Scarlett is now. So congratulations,
Thank
Dr.
you very much. So nice to see you. I didn't do very much hard work with the whole process, but nonetheless.
But your support was important.
Absolutely.
We wish you and your family all the best. That's very, very exciting.
Very much.
So now he's a dad of two, but in the meantime, he has to support them. So he has been for many years a board-certified dermatologist. Dr. Will Kirby is also a very familiar face for so many of you, as he's made many personal appearances rather, by appearing on TV. And he's been here with us for many years, bringing us the Neutrogena Dermatological Supersize Retinol NX Serum. We have it in one-time or auto delivery. And I'm going to ask first for your phone calls. Give us a call if you've used this, because I know that sort of navigating the world of what do I put on my skin, where's the fountain of youth, how do I stop sort of the aging process, or at least help slow it down, gets a little confusing. That's why when I see a gentleman who could use any product in the world, who looks this incredible, 9 days without sleep, I'm sure, and this is what he brings to us, give us a call. The auto delivery will go through. That may be your option here, because this is a 90-day supply. So we are giving you the best value we've ever been able to give you. Not only should we be bragging, though, on your baby, Miss Scarlett, but 2011, this won. Thanks to those of you at home who voted the Customer Choice Beauty Award winner for the best anti-aging treatment.
That's right.
Do you know how many entries there were? So that's a huge award. This year, and they're yet to be announced, which will be coming up at the end of the month, this was a nominee for the best anti-aging and the best night treatment as well. So talk to me, please, Dr. Will, about the idea of retinol.
Retinol is a gold standard ingredient in any anti-aging regime, and that's not just my opinion as a board-certified dermatologist. Look in any dermatological publication, ask your own dermatologist, or ask your friends and families how stabilized retinol works, and they will tell you, based on the wonderful award this won, or based on the results they themselves have experienced, that it is the single greatest thing you can do if you're concerned about the aging process.
This is a patented, what you did with retinol, what Neutrogena, this line, Dermatologics, and explain that a little bit.
Well, I'm so glad you brought that up. I believe that there's 17 patents associated with this product, and that is so incredibly important, and the reason is retinols are not created equal, and you may have used an inferior retinol product in the past, but you have to use a stabilized retinol product. And this product is not just retinol, it's also a product called Tetrol E. Tetrol E firms, tightens, restores elasticity. Retinol gives you smoother skin, softer skin, restored luminosity. So it's the marriage of those two ingredients together that give you the impression of significantly younger looking skin. Now, when we started, you said there's so much confusion out there about skincare products, and that is absolutely the case. People come to my office in Beverly Hills, they have a sack of products. They dump it out on the table, and they say, Dr. Kirby, I'm pulling my hair out, I don't know what to do. And I say, take a deep breath here, let's calm down. The single most important thing you can do, in my opinion as a board-certified dermatologist, is use stabilized retinol product in this Neutrogena Dermatologics offering here. It's a wonderful way to get smoother skin, softer skin, and that overall impression of significantly younger looking skin. Now, you also brought up the fact that I have a 9-day-old baby. If you look at a child's skin, it is so smooth and soft and supple, and the reason is that the cells are turning over very quickly. As we age, that cellular turnover process slows way down. So what you want to do is restore that increased surface cell turnover, and a super easy, natural way to do it is with a product like this.
One of the beautiful things about this is a line that is very affordable. So don't let that fool you. You don't have to pay hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. You get an opportunity with QVC to try it for 30 days and to see how it works for you. Sometimes I also think it's very important to mix it up a little bit. If you've used the same skincare for 5 years, that's terrific. But try something new, because what you're getting here is a chance to try it for 30 days. No loss. It doesn't do exactly what we were talking about. You can send it back. We're giving you the chance with the Supersize, because if you went right now on QVC.com, the 1 ounce retinol will sell for $65. This is 1.7 ounces, as you can see. It's on an auto delivery, so it's a 90-day supply, and it's really quite lovely.
Oh, it's very satiny, if you want to describe it in a certain way. Yeah, it's the first thing that should come in contact with your skin every single night. Why? It's an actual treatment. It's not a cover-up. It's not a makeup. It is an actual treatment. And I'm very biased, but I think the most beautiful part of a woman's body is her skin. And with the holidays right around the corner, and we talk about it takes about 57 days, the normal human adult skin cycle, for a skin product to truly work. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, if you start now, you're going to see beautiful results by the time Thanksgiving comes around. And what are those results? Smoother skin, softer skin, more supple skin. People always say, I'm not trying to look 18 years old, I'm not trying to look 20 years old, I'm trying to look like the best version of me. And that's exactly what this product does with those superior anti-aging benefits.
And I love the fact that if you've wanted to try this product before, we're going to give you the chance. You tell us which credit card you have room on. And it's less than $1 a day.
Very reasonable.
Yes, it's so reasonable, and it's something that you can work into your other skincare that you may be using, because maybe that needs a little boost. Dr. Will, is it in my head, which it could be, that when I go through a change of season, my skin gets grouchy?
Yeah, anytime you see a change, no matter what that is, whether that's environmental or your own personal changes in your life with stress, things like that, you are going to see skin changes. And sometimes that translates into drier skin or more oily skin, so you need something that increases that surface cell turnover so that you have that overall smoother impression. And that's where people really associate youthfulness, when they see uniformity in terms of softness and smoothness. Where people associate age is where you see dryness and lack of uniformity. So you want to use stabilized retinol technology to increase surface cell turnover to give a more youthful impression.
Now, Dr. Will, if I came to visit you, I would have 2 sacks. How does one navigate? Shall I use just this? Should I try it with what I'm also using as far as a moisturizer? Help me understand that.
That is an incredibly common question, and it's so important. And sometimes dermatologists forget to really hammer home what people need. And if you've never used an anti-aging product, this should be the first thing that comes in contact with your skin every night. Or if you already have it, I recommend it at night. If you have a sack of products you use, you can add it to your existing regime.
Okay, so you're okay, because I don't want to give up my 2 sacks of product.
If you have things you like, this should be coming first, but you can use other things you like as well.
And always remember, it's thinnest to thickest, so add it. It's less than $1 a day. The holidays are coming. You know, if you look in the mirror and you go, you know, you got that grouchy skin going like I do this time of the year, then go ahead and add it to your regime. You've got nothing to lose except for the things you didn't like when you looked in the mirror. Dr. Will, congratulations to you.